Okay, let's listen. I want to talk about how to build a UI tool library that helps you to finish a project, to finish a UI design project in less time. What I mean that to build a set of icons, a set of tools that you need on a specific project. For example, if I create maybe a button here with this style, with this shape, and let's flit out, and maybe it's not a button, maybe it's a text field, we don't know. Let's delete this, create another one with purpose of this. Yeah, very nice. And maybe we need a little bit gray color. Like this. And maybe text in here, help. So in here we type button, let's drag it in like this, and let's work on it a little bit. Color white, and maybe drag another one and put it a little bit in between. Arrange, move to back, and now we have a simple button. So imagine in a project we have different documents. Maybe we have new document, not artboard. Find it out, not artboard, it's just a separate document. So we need a global library of these buttons that we will build. For example, we build buttons, we build a UI tools library. For example, we create text fields with the own style of that project, for example, with the same color, with a little bit changes, and with different icons. So recreating of them in any other document, it's very tough work, and accessing to them are very problematic with the way of copy pasting. For example, we can copy that and paste it into another document. It's working bad. Copy pasting, it's a little bit time consuming, I think. So in this case, we need to create a symbol from them and build our own sets of library and save as a preset these symbol library and reuse them on your project. For example, I want to create a symbol from this button. Here we have symbols, and in here I just select all of the areas, all of the shapes that I want to convert it to a symbol for using. I just click new symbol and maybe type button. Export type, not movie clips, it's a graphic, a static model or dynamic model, because we need to work and set up, change some apparently dynamic symbol. All the things set up, click OK. Now you see that symbol is appear like these symbols, like these icons in here. And the other things that I want to say you, that you can use this pre-built presets from Illustrator for creating for your project. For example, we have different types of collections. We have nature, we have primitive, mobile, and these other stuff. So it's our button. And now if I go to other document, is a separate document. And now you see that we have this button in here. Let's delete these other ones in here. Maybe we don't need these icons and delete them, delete selected symbols. And now maybe create another things in here. Maybe imagine this other types of button. it's a radio button maybe. I'm not sure. So now we just select this and create new symbol, radio button, graphic, and now we have all of them. So the first process that you have to export these symbols as a user-defined library. For example, let's select them and save symbol library in here and save it in a place, for example, desktop, maybe like UI tools library. And now, wait a moment. It's okay. And when I go to other document, it's not appearing in here. How can I load that presets and symbols? Very easy. Go to the here and open symbol library and other library. Go to the place that you have saved your use UI tools library and click open. Now you have the exact same symbols in here, and you can drag it out, and here you can change some parameters in here. You can, for example, maybe click or other stuff, and it is very helpful for you, and it saves a lot of time while you working on a project. And same like that here also, we can copy it, paste it, and all other stuff.